We see interactive 3D applications as more than advanced visual experiences. For us, they are practical tools that improve how people understand, present, manage, and make decisions around complex projects. This showcase presents a real estate digital twin developed as a live, interactive environment. It is designed not only to communicate architecture visually, but to create a more intelligent relationship between space, information, and action. At the environmental level, the experience is built to feel active and believable. Dynamic daytime lighting allows the project to be viewed under changing conditions, helping users understand atmosphere, visibility, and architectural character throughout the day. The world itself is not static. Moving cars, drone interaction, and walking characters introduce motion and presence, giving the digital space a sense of realism that helps viewers connect with it more naturally. This matters because the closer an experience feels to reality, the easier it becomes for people to evaluate, interpret, and trust what they are seeing. But realism alone is not the goal. The real value of this application lies in interaction. This digital twin enables users to move beyond passive viewing and into active exploration. They can navigate the project, access galleries, capture screenshots, and engage with the environment in ways that make the experience more useful, more memorable, and more informative. Most importantly, the project extends into real-time unit exploration and management. Units can be filtered, reviewed, and understood through an interactive system that makes information immediately accessible. Users can examine unit details, organize preferences, and save favorite units as part of a fluid decision-making process. Unit states can also be updated dynamically between available, reserved, and sold. What makes this especially significant is that the unit management layer is not treated as a separate back-end concept or an abstract data system. It is designed and experienced as a real-time interactive CRM embedded directly inside the 3D application. That changes the role of the experience entirely. This is no longer just a presentation tool. It becomes a platform that connects visualization with live engagement, project communication, and operational value. It brings together spatial understanding and information management inside one unified environment. That is the direction we believe in. We believe the future of digital applications is not only about making things look better, it is about making them work better. It is about building systems that are immersive but also functional. Systems that are visually compelling but also useful inside real workflows. Systems that help people understand faster, decide faster, and move with greater confidence. Our approach is to think directionally. That means we are always looking ahead to how emerging technologies can be adopted meaningfully, not just experimentally. It means we aim to integrate new capabilities into legacy systems and existing workflows so that innovation creates practical improvement rather than isolated novelty. Because real progress does not happen when technology exists only as a demonstration. Real progress happens when it can be applied, integrated, scaled, and used to solve real problems. This is why interactive 3D matters. It reduces the distance between concept and perception. It transforms information from something people read about into something they can experience directly. It converts imagination into perceivable visual form, and when that happens, communication improves across every level of a project. Design teams can express ideas more clearly. Stakeholders can assess value more quickly. Clients can engage with projects more confidently. Sales teams can communicate availability and project status more effectively. And decision-makers gain access to a more intuitive, immediate understanding of the spaces and systems they are evaluating. The result is not only a better presentation, it is a better process. When people can see, explore, and interact earlier, development cycles can move faster. Misunderstandings can be reduced before they become expensive. Oversights can be identified sooner. Revisions can happen with greater clarity. And costly gaps between planning, communication, and execution can be narrowed significantly. This creates measurable impact. It can reduce wasted time. It can cut costs by large margins across design, communication, and coordination. It can lower risk by exposing issues earlier in the cycle. And it can support stronger decisions by giving everyone involved a shared visual and interactive reference point. That is one of the most important shifts taking place today. Virtual environments are no longer limited to representation. They are becoming active tools for analysis, planning, communication, and management. They are evolving from static outputs into interactive systems with practical value. And this is not only relevant to real estate. The wider potential is substantial.